and show them, you show them.
Narrow.
Hi everyone.
We're here at the mall now.
Just coming for massage time.
For Siaosi only.
And my wife has some little shop with my nephew. We hit the mall. I'm so tired. Look, my hair is so fluffy everywhere. I didn't gel because here in Australia you not be gelling your hair when you go somewhere. Hi, Nathan. Nathan. Hi. Mama, this is so beautiful.
It's been officially 1 week since we've had our camera.
Yeah.
Do you guys like it? Or do you not like it?
Like it?
I think they like it, honey.
Yeah, the quality is so good.
Oh. Well, I'm going shopping to get some few things for our room because I wanted to do a few things in there, like few house bedroom stuff. Siosi's going to get a massage and me and Eben are just going to shop around. So neck, shoulders and back.
Yeah, shoulders and back. Neck, shoulders and back.
Guys, I'm just looking for some shorts for Siaosi. I really want to get Siaosi this shirt. Look at this egg, he fell asleep while getting a massage. Look at his eyes. My boy. This baby is driving me crazy. So we basically just came here for Siaosi because all the shops are closed now and there's nothing to do. Are you proud? Are you proud about that?
No.
But we're going to Sydney tomorrow to pick up Mummy Bear. Tonight is Friday. Tomorrow is Saturday. And oh yeah, I think I should address the elephant in the room. I didn't upload a Tuesday video, did I? I'm sorry about that. Seriously, I feel like it should just be Sunday and whenever I can upload is what I should say instead of Sunday and Tuesday. But honestly, it's because I've been going to the gym and I'm just so tired. And the other thing is we didn't really do much on Sunday as well. So hey guys, we're on our way to Sydney to pick up my mommy from the airport. And you have probably guessed, it's Big Grumpy Bomb. And I guess we should address the elephant in the room. I didn't upload a Tuesday video, did I? But sorry about that, guys. I've been going to the gym actually, that's my excuse. And I've been really tired. And I did overtime a little bit on this week. Whoa. And I think that's it. But I'm excited to eat some Siaosi, some taro chips, my favorite. And oh, I don't know if I told you guys, but yesterday we were meant to go to our anniversary and we were meant to go on our trip. I had planned everything. Then Siaosi asked for some time off from his boss and then he said no. So I had to cancel everything. But I'm thinking of doing it on Valentine's weekend. I was really upset about it and was really excited about it. I got lip fillers. Can you tell? natural.
Hi everyone. We're just stuck here at the bamboo, first bamboo. We're in the way to Sydney, but we switch each other. And this is a busy day. Look this car. Oh, it's an old man. Don't drive like an old man. Drive like a single.
What's the difference between a single old man and an old man?
Old man is like.
And what's a single old man?
That's how I'm going to make a more tell for about the Umalama, the Penana, my mom, my day, the Tanga, Malie. What is the Faramo, the Umalamo, friends, and I tell you, that's all. Like and subscribe to the video. If there's any more tell for about the Umalama. This song is dedicated from all of my friends. We are liking and subscribing our vlogs. Thank you very much. We love you so much. Con mày con quay lúc mà leo lâu có cái đấy đấy. Uana o ita, uana o ita. Esse lang illa yun aso. Vai vai sur mata ko bella. Koling maaya le lofol dat oli faala ja tatta. Vai foi mata ko clear me lugo clouds.
We stopped at the petrol station because Siaosi needed to do a big. And then when we went to drive off, we saw mangoes. They have even lychees. Good, how are you? Cherries, bananas, strawberries. How much are these? What about these ones? Yeah, it's too much. Yeah, sorry, I said me what is me faka. Con cá kia me la inkio. Con cá kia la inkio.
So, conga. This fruit, it's so conga.
Hey guys, so we just arrived here at Sydney Airport. We had so much trouble trying to find a park. You can obviously see why. It's quite packed here and it's so congested and so stuffy. Nandi. Mummy! Say hi to the viewers. Hello. It's been a long time. Really? My dad. Oh, Terminal 2. My dad. Look at Siaosi. He just comes and eats the chips and then doesn't want to carry it. So I kalala o poko fawa e pare ai fe auma. Mame vai. Oh, make me upset. Don't cry, Mom, it's okay. Oh, do you guys know us? Oh my god! We just met viewers. Guys, we just met people who know us. What's your name? Joshua. And your name? And your name? she introduced me to the vlog. Aww. Thank you so much for coming up to us. Okay. Bye. Oh, I'm so tired. We stopped off 2 hours in. We stopped off at a cafe so we can feed my mummy because she's a little bit hungry and I need a toilet break.
Potatoes. Or quicker. Pumpkin. Potatoes.
Can I get the roast of the day? Pork, the pork crackling, whatever it's called. I just popped a pimple, guys, and it's really hurting. My mum's a little bit upset about her leaving her husband. Is that true, Mum? How do you feel about being back in Australia?
So sad.
In my camera, Mum. Hey guys, we just got home. I'm so exhausted. Guess who's here?
Pepe.
For Papa. My dad's for Papa's. What did I come back? Oof, man, det gillar man här på sig.
Kallo gör det. Vad ska du ha?
Jag får Är det favela? I'm so tired and I woke up not long ago. Got some salad and some corn and some potato and some steak and some sausages.
Can I have some chili sauce?
And we the Vietnamese one.
I don't know how to put this on.
The Vietnamese one.
That's straight up real chili.
It's a video.
Hi everyone. Just so you know, Vicky's my enemy.
Can you please paint me an animal one? A rabbit one, please. Oh, let down on the board and down over. If you like it, subscribe.
If you like it.
If you like it, subscribe.
If you like, subscribe.